Calculate the angle of elevation of the top of the tower T from S. The angle of elevation is this angle. It is the angle of elevation of the top of the tower, which is T, as taken from S. Because the angle of elevation is taken from S, then the angle of elevation is located at S. The angle of elevation is at the vertex S. The height of the tower TF is 25 meters. The horizontal distance of S from the base of the tower F is 43.3 meters. We have the height of the tower to be 25 meters, and from the point S, F is at a horizontal distance of 43.3 meters. We therefore have, relative to the angle of elevation S that we need to find, the side that is adjacent to that angle and the side that is opposite to that angle. TF is 25 meters and it is opposite to S, the angle S that we need to find. And FS is equal to 43 meters is adjacent to S. The trig ratio that makes use of opposite and adjacent is tangent. And tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent is tan. That is a general representation of tan, and we will proceed to make the relevant substitution in order that we may find not only tan S, but eventually the size of the angle S, which is the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the angle S. We have made all of the substitution. The opposite is 25, adjacent is 43.3, and the angle is the angle of elevation S that we are about to find. Simplifying, 25 divided by 43.3 is equal to 0.577. When I was solving this problem, or even when I was doing the animation, the 0.577 as the tan of an angle had a certain ring to it. You know, we just consider that is a known and popular angle. We have the tangent of the angle. In order to find the angle, we need to take the tan inverse of that figure. So let us go straight ahead and find the angle S by taking the tan inverse of this figure. So this figure is tangent of S. In finding S, we take the tan inverse of this figure. S is equal to tan inverse of 0.577. As I said before, it had a certain ring as a popular angle, but maybe I was too engulfed in the animation to just pinpoint the angle. S is therefore equal to 30 degrees. Yes, it's a popular angle, and the tan of the angle had a certain ring. Therefore, it should not be very difficult for me to just spot it at sight. The angle of elevation is therefore 30 degrees. 43.3 is closely related to 0.866. Therefore, I should be able to look at the diagram and figure out that the angle is 30 degrees. I should have been able to do that. And how? You also should be able to do it by taking a look at the relationship between 43.3 and 0.866. As you can see, the digits here are twice the digits here. And of course, you know the digits. I'm not talking about the point and the entire value, just the digits. 0.866 is known as the sine of 60 degrees, which is also the cos of 30 degrees. So this side should have given the entire problem away, and we should have been able to figure out that the angle is 30 degrees. Download Richard James Mathematics Resources app from the Google Play Store and have all of your examination solutions, instructional manuals, and other electronic books and booklets in one place. Also, have all of our products and services at your fingertips and on the go. Call or WhatsApp 876-351-9689 or 876-318-8848 for all hard copy books and booklets to complement your studies. Significant discounts will be given to everyone who is registered with any of our programs.